Good evening, everyone. Today we will present similarities and differences between the structure of an academic paragraph and academic set. I only have a few minutes, so let's get started. What is an essay from the paragraph? An essay is an essential collection of paragraph, and as already been said, the paragraph is essential a mini essay. Other can be an essay containing an introduction and body and a conclusion. Other can be an essay this collection of throughout ideas in a topic. A paragraph containing introductory sentence, a body, and a closing sentence. A paragraph is one throughout idea. The relationship between a paragraph and essay is symbiotic. You can write an essay with using paragraphs and 4 or more consecutive paragraphs about the same subject matters. Become an essay both composed or 5 sections. A paragraph typically has 5 sentences and essay 5 paragraphs. The number 1. Both paragraph and essays. Both paragraph and essay. Okay. Begin with a topic sentence of a thesis statement that will explain to the reader what a paragraph or essay is about. A thesis statement for an essay is longer or more detailed than the topic sentence at the beginning of a paragraph. For example, a thesis statement for an essay might be: the gravity of marriage becomes more apparent over time. Now, newlyweds imagine a glamorous life hate and cannot yet imagine the test of their love will endure. Will couple marry for a decade or more and beginning to understand the depth of their promise? A topic sentence for a paragraph might simplify: a lasting marriage requires many levels of compromise. Supporting ideas. The paragraph and essay both require supporting details that elaborate on the statement made in the topic sentence or the thesis statement. In a paragraph, its consequent sentence builds upon to the point made in the topic sentence. In essay, the first sentence in each paragraph are discussed points made in the thesis statement. In the paragraph, the sentence following the topic sentence are called the supporting ideas. In essay, the paragraphs following the thesis statement are called supporting paragraphs. Each supporting paragraph has its own supporting details. The number 3, length. The paragraph, the paragraph and essay differ in their lengths. Paragraphs are typical between the 5 or 6 sentences long. They are composed of a typical sentence and 4 or 5 supporting details. Essays contain at the last 5 paragraphs. They are composed and the introductory paragraph, which included the thesis statement, and the last 3 supporting paragraph and a conclusion paragraph. Finally, the conclusion. Both paragraph and essay must be ended with a conclusion. Okay. But the type of conclusion differs. Paragraph must end with a concluding sentence that states the basic point of the paragraph. It should not rephrase or retire the topic sentence. Essay ends with a conclusion paragraph that summarizes the context of the essay and reiterates the thesis statement with different phrasing. The conclusion paragraph usually revisits the point, introducing the supporting paragraphs to prove to the reader that from the reader's point of view, the thesis statement was correct. That's all. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.